has landed by choice on the shores of the Caribbean, that it has demonstrated in Caribbean language that it is prepared to put its money where its mouth is. And today's groundbreaking ceremony is testimony of that fact. And so on behalf of the government and people of Grenada, on behalf of the wider OECS region, we express a hearty congratulations to Afrexim Bank and to the government and people of Barbados on this significant event. The bank has taken a regional approach to its engagements and its interactions throughout Caribbean. Grenada, like Barbados, is benefiting significantly from the presence of the bank, particularly in the private sector, where members have already benefited from the bank's investment and loan portfolio. Grenada will follow Barbados, Guyana, and the Bahamas in hosting on the 28th and 29th of July the Afrexim Bank Trade and Investment Forum in Grenada. And we do so cognizant of the need to continue deepening economic opportunities, trade, investment, financing, the movement of our people, our goods and services between the continent of Africa and its diaspora in the Caribbean. And it may be that President Burama and Prime Minister Motley had a sense of clairvoyance as to the troubled times ahead back in 2021 when this partnership was initiated. Because I think we now know that the opportunities are there for us to look within ourselves and amongst ourselves to forge a new pathway of economic development, trade, investing, financing, tourism, culture, sports, the entire gamut